Hello everyone and welcome to Students Wallah. This is Prachi and today we are going to do our Ncert exercise number 1.1. I promised you that I am going to make a separate video for Ncert exercises and one for RS Agarwal exercises. So this is your Ncert exercise 1.1, right? These 4 questions are there in your Ncert exercise 1.1. Alright. Because I thought that it won't be very efficient to teach you all the concepts on board, so therefore I just thought to do it in the copy. That would be a better and efficient way of dealing with such topics, right? Because mathematics is something I need to tell you by solving, not by doing like this only, right? Alright, so let's just start with our first question. So the first question is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0? Okay, let's just think about this question. Is 0 a rational number? So what is it asking about? 0, right? Now, how can we write 0 in the form of p by q? P by q, 0 is in the form of p, but how to write it in the form of q? Can we add 1 over here? Yes, we can add 1 over here. Not only 1, but we can add any possible integer, like 0 is there, 0 by 2, 0 by 3, 0 by 4, 0 by, we can add 0 by minus 5. Any integer could be here. So yes, we can write 0, right? So yes, we can write 0 as in the form of p by q by taking q as any possible integer. Why I am taking q as any possible integer? Because q can be any possible integer, right? It will give the result. Ultimately, it will lead to a result of 0 itself. Correct? That is why I can write 0 as a rational number, and that too in the form of p by q, where p and q will be integers and q is not equal to 0. Alright, so I guess I'm very I told you this question in the most possible perfect way. Now we are going to deal with the question number 2, where I have to find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. And as I already have made a video on that, how to find rational numbers between any 2 possible rational numbers, I told you total 3 ways, right? I told you total 3 ways in which you could do the same. So here also we are going to solve these questions in all the 3 ways. The first method I told you was the average method, where what did we used to do? Half into x plus y, where x and y were integers and x and y were any possible integers, and we knew that x was less than y. So let's try and see if we can apply this method in this possible question. It is 3 and 4. So the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 4. So this instance proves that x is less than y, because we know that 4 is greater than 3, right? So x is less than y. Now what do we have to apply to find just one rational? तो मेरे को निकालना क्या है? रैशनल नंबर इन दोनों के बीच, ठीक है? एंड मेरे को कितने रैशनल नंबर निकालने हैं? तो 6 रैशनल नंबर निकालने हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? So what I'm going to do over here is, basically I'll be using this formula, right? Half into x plus y to get my first rational number. Now to find any particular rational number, what are we supposed to do? First we are supposed to draw a number line, right? So between 3 and 4. Okay, so between 3 and 4, what rational number will I have in the middle? Which rational number am I going to have in the middle? Right, so it's going to be half into 3 plus 4. That will give me half into 7, which is 7 by 2. Correct? Half into 7, that is 7 by 2. So first here 7 by 2 is going to lie. Now the second rational can be between this and this. Over here I can drop 1, right? So half into 3 plus 7 by 2. 7 into half, which was 7 6 13 by 4, right? So next rational number will be 13 by 4, which will be lying over here. Another what we can find is between 7 by 2 and 4, we can drop 1 over here. So third will be half into 4 plus 7 by 2, which is half into here, half into 15 by 2, which is 15 by 4. Okay, so the next one I have is 15 by 4. Now the fourth rational. Where can I drop the fourth one? Can I drop it between this and this? Between here? We can lie. So it is half into 3 plus 13 by 4. Half into here 4 will lie. Okay, so it is half into 25 by 4. 25 by 8. Just see how I'm doing these questions. Okay. Fifth one can lie between this and this, means here half into 15 by 4 plus 4. So half into okay, this will be 31 by 4. So 31 by 8 will be the fifth rational number, which will be lying between here. Okay, and the sixth final one, where can we get that? Sixth one we can find between this and this, right? It's looking a bit empty, so we can find between this and this. It is going to be half into 13 by 4 plus 7 by 2. Half into, यहाँ 4 LCM होगा. It will be half into 27 by 4, which is 27 by 8. Alright. So I can drop here 27 by 8. So what all rational numbers do I have now with me? Yeah. So I have 7 by 2, 13 by 4, 15 by 4, 25 by 8, 31 by 8 and 27 by 8 with me as the rational numbers. Alright. This was the first method with which we have solved this particular question. Now let us move to the second method. Alright. Fine. So if you all remember the method number 2, what was the method number 2? What all rational numbers do I have with me? 3 and 4. So the second process said that first we have to convert the denominators into like denominators. What is the denominator here? It is already like denominator, right? So what do we need to do? How many rational numbers are we supposed to find? N. Well, how many rational numbers are we supposed to find? 6 rational numbers. So to make it equivalent, by which number do we have to multiply it with? N plus 1, which is 6 plus 1, that is 7. Let's do that together. So 3 by 1 into 7 into 7. You know how to convert it into equivalent fraction, right? Now between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7, as the denominators already are like, I can simply write 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, correct? 27 by 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 rational numbers lying between 3 and 4. This is the most effective process. According to me, method 2 is the most effective process which you can use in any examination for quick work. I told you all the 3 methods just for your convenience. Okay. Third one, let me tell you, because in the video I think I was not able to explain you more better than I am able to explain you in the copy. So I'll keep the math sessions in the copy only. If you are comfortable, just tell me in the comment box where it is much better. So see, in method 3, first we were to calculate D, right? And it was also that Y should be greater than X, right? What are here also 4 is greater than 3, correct? So what was the value of D? Y minus X by N plus 1. And then the rational numbers will be X plus D, X plus 2D, till how many we have to find? X plus 6D. It will go ahead till X plus 6D. So let's just find first the value of D. D will be 4 minus 3 plus N is what? N we already saw was 6. Okay, so n plus 1 will be 7. 1 by 7 is the value of d. So x plus d is, x is what? 3. 3 plus 1 by 7. So our first rational number is 22 by 7. Now x plus 2d. X plus 2 into 1 by 7. 3 plus 2 by 7, which is 23 by 7 will be our second rational number. Similarly, x plus 3d, which is 3 plus, now you multiply, 3 into 1 by 7 will give you 3 by 7. 24 by 7. Right? You see, now I am going to show you a pattern now. ठीक है, मैं पैटर्न दिखाऊंगा. यहाँ पर अगर मैं देखूं नंबर्स को, यहाँ मैंने 7 से मल्टीप्लाई किया था ना, नंबर्स को देखो तुम, क्या आ रहा है? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7. अब यहाँ पैटर्न को जज करो, क्या है? 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7 means it is following the method 2. It is a copy of method 2. Only the formula is here constructed. Only the formula is constructed. Rest it is just a copy of your method 2. Method 3 is just a copy of method 2. So when you move ahead till x plus 4d पर जाओगे, फिर तुम जाओगे x plus 5d पर, x plus 6d पर. Ultimately you will land at 27 by 7 at some instant. x plus 6d का वैल्यू 27 by 7 ही होगा. ठीक है, ये था एक बेसिक थिंग जो तुम्हारा मेथड 2 का कॉपी था मेथड 3. ठीक है, समझ गए इस चीज़ को? चलो अब सबसे ये जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है ना, क्वेश्चन नंबर तुम्हारा ये है 3. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, इसमें तुमको सबसे एफिशिएंट वे यूज करना है बाय विच यू कैन सॉल्व द पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. Which what do you think is the most efficient way to solve this question with? Method 2, right? So we will use here the method number 2. What was the method number 2? Equivalent बनाना होगा n plus 1 से multiply करके. n here is 5, n plus 1 is 6. We have 3 by 5, we have 4 by 5. Already like है तो इसको 6 से multiply कर देंगे, इसको भी 6 से multiply करेंगे. क्या इनके बीच में आगे 5 राशि नंबर? 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. आगे 5 राशि नंबर्स. अब देखो मैंने ये साइन इसलिए यूज किया क्योंकि ये नंबर सबसे छोटा है, उससे बड़ा ये है, उससे बड़ा ये है, इससे बड़ा ये आखिरी में जाके ये आ जाता है. Got it? Now let's come to this question. State true or false. This is the question number 4. State true or false, and you have to state that with a particular reason also. Why is that which you are saying is true? Okay. First question is, every natural number is a whole number. Natural number कहाँ से शुरू होता है? 1 से शुरू होता है, right? Whole number कहाँ से शुरू होता है? 0 से शुरू होता है. तो क्या हर natural number whole number है? क्योंकि अगर आप देखो हर natural number क्या whole number है? ये set of number आपको यहाँ भी common दिखेगा, तो means yes, every natural number is a whole number because this set of number is also found in this set. Now the second question says every integer is a whole number. Integers में क्या क्या आते हैं? -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. ठीक है, whole number 0 से शुरू ही होता है. तो क्या ये -1, -2 इसमें पाए जाएंगे? नहीं पाए जाएंगे. अगर होता हर whole number integer तो yes, but is every integer a whole number? So this statement is false. ठीक है, ये true है, ये false है. अब every rational number is a whole number. rational numbers में क्या आता है? 1/2, -3/4, ऐसे से कोई भी नंबर आ सकते हैं. whole number 0, 1, 2, 3 ऐसे स्टार्ट होता है. तो क्या ये नंबर तुमको इसमें मिलेंगे? नहीं मिलेंगे, राइट? हर rational number whole number नहीं होता है, बल्कि whole number rational number हो सकता है, बट rational number whole number नहीं होता है. ये स्टेटमेंट भी false है. Only your first statement is true, the second and third statement is false. तो with this we have completed our NCERT exercise number 1.1. अब जो next video में लाऊंगी उसमें मैं exercise 1A करवाऊंगी RS अग्रवाल का. Hope you like this session. Stay tuned for many such videos and also watch the previous videos of this concept session 1 and concept session 2. दिस इज जस्ट योर एक्सप्लेनेशन. कॉन्सेप्ट सेशन 3 भी आएगा जिसमें इरेशनल नंबर्स, पहले तो डेसिमल एक्सपांशन डिस्कस होगा, फिर इरेशनल नंबर डिस्कस होगा. ओके, so everyone, thank you so much and have a great learning journey. Bye bye everyone.